One factor of change during the economic reforms in England was the enclosure movement. The enclosure movement was a process by which landowners took over small plots of land and stretches of common land that were previously available to all. It also enclosed these areas with hedges or small walls to create large fields. This process has been taking place since medieval times. It became more rapid when wealthy farmers began to expand their properties. Enclosure brought economic benefit of greater efficiency, but yet the poor suffered greatly. Farmers who owned small plots were overpowered, and their land was taken away. Enclosure The Industrial Revolution began in Britain. It soon spread to the rest of Europe and the United States. The invention of new machines made manufacturing clothes and goods easier. The spinning jenny, for example, invented by James Hargreaves, helped to speed up the process of weaving and spinning. The development of the practical steam engine provided the power needed to run new machinery in factories. Coal was used to power these steam engines. The need for coal soon led to the digging of deep coal pits in the mid-regions of England. Improvements in roads, canals, and railways were essential for the rapid distribution of goods. This helped to speed up the British economy. The Revolution sparked a trend, and thousands soon moved from the country to the city. There they found more secure and reliable jobs in factories. These advancements also came at a horrible price. Though their wages had improved, the people had compromised their living and working conditions. They were packed into tenant houses. Their hours in the factories were unbearably long, and they worked in blistering conditions. All of this took its toll on the British people. It fueled the economy, but in doing so, it broke down hard-working souls. The Industrial Revolution and other reforms led to economic hardships. Enclosure and the pollution from the industrialization affected the English people. Slum housing was not only suffered by factory workers. Factory owners were getting rich off of the long work hours that their factory workers put in. Women and children were paid less than men, and there were no laws to prevent unfair working conditions. The Romantics of this time fought for their identity and individuality against the monotonous production progress.